Hi teddy bears! Today is Tuesday and today we are going to do some more fun names and our ABCs. We're going to count, we're going to do some shapes and our nursery rhyme. Do you remember what nursery rhyme we were working on? Okay, I hope you've been practicing it at home. So we are going to start with our good morning song. Are you ready? Good morning to you, good morning to you, good morning dear teddy bears, good morning to you. I hope you're doing well. I miss you guys so much. Okay, so we are going to start with our name check-in. Now remember, get your ears on, click, 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 click. Get your eyes ready so you can find your name and you can find your friends' names. And I want you to be ready to listen, okay? So we're gonna start with our first friend, and that is Boaz. Boaz starts with the letter B, Boaz. Good morning, Boaz. Our next friend is Caroline, C, Caroline, Caroline. Good morning, Caroline. Our next friend is Easton, and the E says and E, Easton. Good morning, Easton. What friend is this? This is Graham, and his name starts with the letter G, Graham, Graham. Good morning, Graham. Our next friend is Harper, and she starts with the letter H. Who else starts with the letter H? Harrison starts with the letter H. Harrison, H, Harper, and the H says Okay, good morning, Harper and Harrison. Our next friend is James, James, and the J says James. Good morning, James. Our next friend is Kaya, Kaya, and Kaya's name starts with what letter? K, Kaya. Who else starts with the letter K? Uh-oh, it's upside down. Kylie does. K, Kylie, K, Kaya. They both start with the letter K. Good morning, Kaya and Kylie. Our next friend is Oaks. And the O says ah, and the O says O. So Oaks. Start with the letter O. Good morning, Oaks. Our next friend is Phoebe. And Phoebe starts with the letter P. The P says P. Can you do that? The P says P. Good job, friends. Phoebe. Good morning, Phoebe. Our next friend is Regan. And Regan starts with the letter R, Regan, and the R says Who else starts with the R? Ruth does. Ruth starts with the letter R too. The R says for Ruth, and the R says for Regan. Good morning, Regan. Good morning, Ruth. And our last friend is Shepherd, and that SH together says shh. Can you say that? Shh. But the S says like a snake. So S says, but for shepherd we say shepherd. Very good, friends. Okay, I hope you're all here today and you're able to see the video. Miss Natalie can't wait to see you guys in person again soon. All right, let's start our ABCs. Are these numbers or letters? These are letters, very good. And what letter do we start with? The letter what? A, apple. B, bear. So let's do that. We're gonna say all of these all the way down to the bottom to the Z. Ready? A, apple. We're not gonna sing our song, so we're gonna do this. Can you do it with me? A, apple. B, bear. C, cat. D, duck. E, egg. F, fish. G, goat. H, hand. Do you know what this is? I, igloo. J, jelly beans. Mr. Pat loves jelly beans. K, kite. Oops, sorry. L, lion, roar. M, monkey. N, you might know what this is either. It's a newspaper. Some moms and dads may get that in the paper, but it's a newspaper, like a magazine, but newspaper. O, octopus. P, pig. Let's keep going. Q, question. That's a question mark when we ask a question. How are you today is a question. R, rainbow. S, sun. T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, violin. W, watch. X, this is an X-ray. You can see your bones, X-ray. Y, yo-yo, and then Z, zebra. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, so now we are going to do our numbers. These are our numbers, and we're going to count starting with the number 1. Are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's do our fish nursery rhyme. Ready? When we caught a fish alive, let's say it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did I let him go? Why? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? The little one upon the right. Good job, friends. Okay, so now we're going to do our nursery rhyme. Do you remember what nursery rhyme we've been working on? It's Little Bo Peep. And what is Little Bo Peep looking for? Her sheep. That's right. She lost them and she does not know where to find them. Little Bo Peep. Okay, so let's say it together. Are you ready? Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep, oh no, and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. Okay, let's say it again. Here they are. They see Little Bo Peep. And I'm going to use my finger because I'm reading my words. This is the print, the words, and down here is our picture. This is our picture, and these are my words. Okay, you ready? Say it again. Say it. Can you say it really quiet? Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. Very good job, friends. Okay, we are going to do another nursery rhyme. We're going to review. I'm going to do one more. Do you remember these friends right here? Who is this? This is Jack and Jill, and they went up a hill. Let's say it. Are you ready? Jack and Jill went up a hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Oh no. And Jill came tumbling after. Now vocabulary. Do you remember what crown was? It was his what? His head, or a crown that you can wear. And then tumbling, Jill tumbled down. Okay, let's do one more. Who are these friends? Do you remember? Little Miss Muffet, and she's sitting on her tuffet, and tuffet means a chair. Okay, so let's do our Little Miss Muffet. Ready? Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Eat your curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. What does frightened mean? Do you remember? It means to be scared, and it frightened her. And then curds and whey, what are curds and whey? Do you remember what that is? It's like it's kind of like oatmeal or like a cereal. Okay, so we're going to finish with our nursery rhymes, and we are going to do a shape. So Let's do, there's Cindy circle. Let's do this real quick. We're gonna review. Cindy circle. Can you make your circle? Who is this? Square. What shape? What shape is this? Triangle. And then tell me what shape this is. Rectangle. So today we are going to do our triangle. We talked about Cindy the circle, and today we're gonna do our triangle, and she's Trixie. Are you ready to do Trixie triangle with me? Trixie triangle has 3 sides, has 3 sides. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Good, friends. She says yield, but don't stop. So yellow means to slow and yield. See her on the rooftop. Look, she's a roof of the house. You see the triangle, Trixie? Count her sides. 1, 2, 3. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3. Trixie triangle has 3 sides, has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. See her on the boat sail. Do you see her? Right here, she's the sail on this boat. And upon the dragon tail. Now this one's tricky because she's not yellow, but do you see Trixie? There she is. What color is she? She's green, and she's all the way down the dragon's tail because she is a triangle. And they look like spikes down your dragon's tail. Count her sides. 1, 2, 3. Now count it with me. 1, 2, 3. Very good job, friends. The end. Say bye, Trixie, and we'll do Trixie next week too, and you guys can review Miss Trixie. Okay, now we are going to check our weather, and today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining. It's a nice day to play outside and play with chalk or do anything outside, maybe blow bubbles. So I want you to stop what you're doing and look out the window and see what the weather is. Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Tell me what the weather is. Okay, now we are going to do our Pledge of Allegiance with our American flag. And I'm gonna hold it, and you're gonna stand and put your right hand over your heart, and we're gonna say the Pledge of Allegiance. You ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Very good job, teddy bears. All right, now we're gonna do our prayer hands, and we're gonna thank God because God is so faithful and so good.